Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you want to enhance your Word documents by adding text directly on top of images to provide context or to add necessary labels for consistency? In this video, I will guide you through the process of writing on pictures in Microsoft Word. Let's go. To start, insert the image you want to add text into your Word document. You can skip this step if your picture is already prepared. Then go to the Insert tab. Click on Picture and select the image file from your device. Once the image is inserted, select it and go to the Picture Format tab in the ribbon. Under the Arrange panel, choose the top center with square text wrapping option from the Position menu. This will allow you to position the image and add text around it. Once you've positioned your image, you can now add text to it. To create a stylish title or heading, go to the Insert tab. Select Word Art and choose a desired style. You can further customize the appearance of your word art by using the formatting options on the Shape Format ribbon. For simpler text elements such as labels or captions, use the Text Box tool. You can easily adjust the font size, color, and other properties of these text boxes to match your document's overall style. To ensure that your text and image remain aligned and move together as a unit, you need to group them. Start by holding down the Shift key on a Windows computer or the Command key on a Mac while selecting both the image and the text boxes. Then, go to the Picture Format menu in the ribbon and click the Group button. This will combine the elements into a single group, so you can freely move or resize them without worrying about the text and image separating. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.